Oh, wow, you don't see that every day.
Well, here's the sign for the ice cave. Ice cave and Bandera volcano. The land of fire and ice. That it was here. Ancient lava trail to a collapsed lava tube. Temperature never rises above 31 degrees Fahrenheit. For you other folks, you had to convert to Celsius. Celsius would be just around 0 or slightly less, I believe. And then we got on the other side, it has points of interest along the way. And we're down here at the ice caves, but this is the Continental Divide here, where we just crossed over coming up here. I think, like I said, we're about 8,000 feet and we're in New Mexico. There's the border. Arizona is the next state over, so we're not too far from the border here. But all right, very nice. Well, I think I'm going to have to change the battery pretty soon, but here's what the sign says. And down to the ice caves. We got lots of lava along the road going to the ice caves. Or the ice cave, I'm not sure. Oh, we got a marker here. Number 2, more information to give you from the brochure. A little bit later there. Look at all this lava. Lots of lava. Wow. All kinds, both sides of the road. The volcano was up over there somewhere where we walked up. All right. Here's some lava. It's got a lot of lichens and different things growing on it down here. But this is a pile of lava here. Here you go. All right. This is number 4. Oh, look at that down inside there. I don't want to get too close, but it looks like it goes down inside there. Like, I forget what you call that, a funnel or something. I forget the name. There's like a lava tube or something here maybe that came down from up yonder. But back on the trail here. Okay, winds are picking up. I think this is that Jeep trail that I pointed out earlier that would bring you out here. But we got the sign just in case we don't know. Ice cave is that way. That's where we're headed. All right. This is going down to the ice cave. It says hold on to the rail. So I'll let those people come up first, and then I'll be heading on down. Okay, going down these steps here. And I'm going to turn the camera off so I can concentrate on my movement here. Okay, hold on. Uneven steps. Hold on the handrail. Look at that. We're going down, down, down here. So, all right, turn this off. Concentrate on my walking. I'm in the ice cave. Perpetuation of ice due to lava insulation in the shape of the cave, which traps frigid air. And it is cold down here. Yes, it is. And that's all. It's all ice. Oh, look how nice and blue it looks in the camera. In person, doesn't look as good as that. Oh, the camera makes it look really nice, or at least on the screen, on the back of the GoPro. But look at all those rocks. I hope they don't fall. Some of them look kind of like they're ready to fall. I hope they're wedged in there really good. So we shall see. We got lava here and different colors down there too. And we come over here, you got more lava, sun coming in, but still it's just going to be frozen ice down here. That's the lava cave here. Yeah, some of those chunks up there, like that one there. Yeah. Looks like it's ready to come down here, get a little earthquake or something here.
But it would break that ice.
Yeah, but it looks like a lot of staining from water that dripped down, I guess. There. I guess the water has to seep in here from somewhere. Yeah. It looks like a little chunk of ice back over there, too. I wonder if it's frozen solid or how deep that is.
Something they told me. But
yeah, it's probably in the pamphlet, if I look it up. I got to climb back up the steps here. But they're uneven, so I gotta pay attention to what I'm doing so I don't have an accident and whatever here. All right, I'm narrating my video here. There's the ice cave down there. There's a little observation platform that you can see the cave. There's a set of steps that goes up and down for it there. That's the entrance. I was down, I came back up, but just wanted to get another shot of the entrance there. A number of steps to go down. You take your time going down. They're very sturdy steps. But the ice cave was pretty neat, I must admit here. But I gotta take the trail going back and a few stops along the way. Okay. There's a little lizard down there. You probably can't see him. He's scurrying away. But this looks like number 6 because it has a line on the bottom. So presumably this is 6. Number 6. Ooh, a little pathway here. You can walk. Ooh, a little nice area there. You could have a little campfire, I guess. Well, not here, not allowed, but maybe in the old days. But ooh, watch my step here. Walking over lava. Going over lava. Oh, this is nice inside here with the tree. Oh, there's a little cave back here. Oh, look at this. All right. It's like maybe one of those fumaroles. I think they're called. Yeah, I think they're called fumaroles here. All right, let me try to get a better view while I sit on a rock. Well, I don't know if I should be going down in there. You know, maybe a rock could fall on me or a ledge could cave in. But over there, it looks like a fumarole back in there. And I'll put information here so you can check it out either at down in the text. There's always links and useful information if you want to know more about this place here. All right. Wow, I don't want to get too near the edge on that, but just looking down there, big hole here, big hole down there. That's about as far as I can reach with my camera. I don't want to get near the edge. I might fall in and become a casualty. I'll turn into lava. But I don't know if you can see all that. But there it is. The edge is like right here. And it's falling down. All right. Another stop here. I may have videoed this earlier, so there may be a dupe. I don't know. This is number 5. Number 5 down here. And another depression of lava here. Might have been a fumarole underneath it here at one time. I'm not sure. I'll have to read in the pamphlet to see what it says here. But a little bit warmer now, still a little bit breezy. But back down the trail. All right. Coming up on another one. This might be a dupe too. This is number 3. There it is. Good old number 3. Not much here. Just more like another lava field. But nice area up here. Nice, cool, clean air. And as we thought, these are ponderosa pines, and they have a tree here labeled ponderosa pine. Dun 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 dun. Ponderosa pine. There it is. Take a close look at it here. There it is. Very hardy tree here. The old ponderosa pine. There it is. Alrighty, Mr. Pine. We'll see you later. This could be another dupe too. This is number 2. Number 2. Big old debris field of lava. Lots and lots of lava. You want lava? You got it. It's here. There you go, right next to the trail. You can reach down and touch the lava. There it is. All right. Good old lava. Good stuff. Well, here we got an old wagon with some real old wood on it here. Who knows how old that wood is? All dried out, metal rusted, but they made things very thick in those days. You got the metal exterior on the wooden wagon wheels. The old wagon here, sitting here for God knows how many years here. It's still here. Built stuff tough in those days. And look at that, there it is, the old wagon. All right, say goodbye to the wagon. There's an old gas pump here, out of action now, I'm sure. You know, the innards are gone out of it there, so sad. It'd be nice if there was, you know, painted up and fixed up nice and everything here. Still got the pump. It's locked. An old gas pump. from back in the old days, I guess. Probably this wasn't its normal spot. Looks like it's been placed on some logs there just as a tourist attraction. The metal looks good where the handle is, but okay.